Greetings, this is Jared with Omnivore Blade Works. It is April 2nd. This is not an April Fool's. Doing the status report on things that are happening in the shop. I haven't had a chance to mess with these heat-treated blanks yet because I've been busy trying to get the CNC router, or learning how to use it and getting it set up for different processes. I'll probably do straightening and sharpening on these guys tomorrow. But anyway, what I've been trying to do with the CNC router is to figure out if I can deburr all these inside and outside corners on all of my products. So maybe you can see in this shot that I've got a chamfer operation done. Basically what I'm doing is sticking these javelina box cutter knives into a pocket that I machined and then driving around the perimeter of everything except for the cutting edge with a 90-degree chamfer burr. So this is my test piece, and I have already kind of ruined it. You can see there's a line across there and there's gouging all around that hole. So this is my learning experience, and I'll probably have to make a new jig and re-zero the whole table because for some reason things aren't quite staying as accurate as I would like. So I'm learning a lot pretty fast. So once I get on top of the curve, then I'll have things moving along faster. I got my hold down clamps, so making fixtures for this table. Probably going to replace this MDF and do a new drill pattern, hole pattern, so that I can have these toggle clamps hold down each different fixture panel and keep everything secure. And I also ordered some magnets that will go into pockets inside of these areas to hold the steel down when I'm doing a batch. So that's what's happening. We've got the Mach 3 program working, and I'm starting to get the hang of it. The PID controller is working great. I can change my speed control on the router. I got precise bits, call it set. So I've been using the 1/8 inch diameter bits for this part, and then I've also got a 1/4 inch diameter bit that I'm going to try too. I've got my vacuum going into this box so that when I'm running various parts with larger bits, I can use that bigger vacuum foot, but I'm going to have to make a new vacuum foot that really sucks right off of the spindle for these smaller bits, because I don't want metal chips flying everywhere. But anyway, I've got vacuum in this cabinet here. So I've got a dust deputy in there and shop vac in there, and I'll need to put a remote control switch on it so that as soon as the program starts running one of these relays, I can do like a radio controlled switch, turn on the vacuum. So once I get all this under control, I'm going to be running a deburr on these blades, which are for a friend of mine, on the inside, probably the inside and the outside actually, this little knife. And then I'll get to work. While those are running, I'll get to work getting all these things sharpened and product out the door, hopefully. And then of course got to design some sheath jigs too, so that I can cut all those parts with the CNC router as well, which should be easier because it's not metal, it's softer. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully have another report for you in the next week or so. That's all I got.